Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I'll be talking about how to plan better and complete construction projects on time. It's a major challenge in many construction projects. Why do project teams have difficulties to complete their projects on time? There are many factors that contribute to a project delay. One of the main factors is a lack of detailed production planning and scheduling for a project. I'll discuss on the concerns of traditional planning and scheduling method that most projects apply. Then I'll introduce to you the lean approach to planning and scheduling, an alternative method that is widely used in construction projects today. Continue to listen to our video. Research confirms that only 54% of all planned activities were completed in 1 week. This is very alarming. Accumulating unfinished work weekly creates the work backlog and domino effect on the entire project. This causes serious delays to a project. If your project has the same issue, you need to address this problem immediately. Otherwise, your project will be delayed as well. Welcome to my Lean Project Management channel. I'm Laxana Naidu of Sysnovate Solutions. I'm a consultant, trainer, and coach. Sysnovate is a management and lean agile consulting firm. What does a project need? Your project needs a project production system for planning, scheduling, and controlling during construction to complete your project on time. You can avoid project delays, cost overruns, and non-compliances in your project. Most of us are familiar with the critical path method, CPM, for scheduling of our construction projects. It is one of the most commonly used and a traditional planning and scheduling technique. The current planning and scheduling uses critical path method, CPM, to develop a master schedule. It is prepared by the first planner, who is a project planner or project manager deciding the schedule for the whole project. The master schedule is a forecast of what should happen throughout the project duration, with many assumptions of uncertainties possible during the project implementation. The master schedule is pushed on the project team for execution. The project is managed based on what the schedule says should happen without the collaboration of the subcontractors and stakeholders involved in the project. The flow of work is often interrupted by trade subcontractors who are unable to keep up with the schedule and therefore unable to complete their work. Relying only on the critical path method, CPM, for scheduling is inadequate to complete a project on time. The lean planning and scheduling method complements the missing components of planning and scheduling for a construction project. It has been extensively used in the construction industry in many countries. Lean planning and scheduling is an extension to CPM. With detailed planning during production process of construction works, it has helped to improve coordination, planning, and controlling of work at the project. It enables the project team and trade subcontractors, who are called the last planners, to create a detailed production plan to reach each milestone in the master schedule through collaboration and commitment. They work together to develop and execute the production plan that maximizes their productivity. This increases the reliability of completing the construction activities on time. Using the planning and scheduling methodology, the project team will spend more time to look ahead, to plan better their work and remove constraints. They will spend less time firefighting and dealing with crises. The last planner system is a proven lean planning and scheduling methodology that every project needs to execute a project reliably and meet project outcomes. The last planner system comprises of 5 key steps. Step 1, master planning, to set milestones for phases of work in the master schedule. Step 2, phase pool planning, to apply pool planning technique to create a sequence of work and logical workflow. Step 3, look ahead planning, to look ahead in the schedule, remove constraints in the workflow, and make work ready. Step 4, weekly work planning, to develop a detailed production plan called weekly work plan for daily execution. Step 5, learning, improving, to measure weekly task completion, learning rapidly the reasons for non-completion and making improvements to avoid repetition. The 5 steps are the key connected conversations that project team and trade subcontractors should have. Collaboration and making reliable promises are the key to a successful project. The Last Planner system is a registered trademark of the Lean Construction Institute USA. It is widely used in many countries around the world as an alternative to CPM. I've written an article on Lean Construction and the Last Planner system, completing projects reliably. The article was published in the Master Builders Journal. I've given a link below to my article for your reading. Projects have become more complex and challenging over time with tighter timelines, regulations, and budgets. The Last Planner system is the solution to create a predictable, reliable, and stable production system for a project. Construction companies should apply the Last Planner system in their projects. Project team and trade subcontractors can achieve higher safety standards, save time, save costs, better quality standards, and higher profits. Our goal is to complete projects safer, better, faster, cheaper, and more reliable. Sysnovate offers consulting, training, and coaching services to lean approach to planning and scheduling for construction projects. Learn and apply in your project. Attend our 2 days Lean Project Management course, Lean Project Planning and Scheduling. In my training, I will deep dive into lean planning and scheduling with the Last Planner system methodology. Examples, action learning, exercises, and parade of trade simulation game. After the training, you'll be ready to apply in your project. We conduct on-site coaching to help you implement the Last Planner system. I look forward to seeing you in our next course.